Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a quick little how-to video on how to install a P3 gauge on a 2018 Audi TTRS. Let's get started. So let's take a look inside the box and see what we have. So the control box, the new gauge specifically for Unitronic, OBD2 tap, and I got the analog sensor as well. Let's see how easy this is. Okay, so what we have to do is you're going to take a plastic pry tool. You're going to pry up and this vent will pop out. You're going to pry up and pop this panel off. And once you pop the panel off, there's going to be an 8mm right there. There's an 8mm right here. And there's an 8mm right here. Once you do that, you'll be able to pop this under panel off and we'll be able to hook everything up. So for this panel, all you do is you take a plastic pry tool, and it pops right up. So the gauge has a little lip that slides into the vent. You're going to want to make sure there's 1, 2, 3 vents open, and it slides right in. It pops right in just like that. From there, you'll take the feed, and there is a little opening right there that you'll feed it down into, and we'll get that under the dash next. Okay, so what I've done is I've ran a vacuum line from the boost tap on the engine to the analog sensor, plug the analog sensor into the control box. From the control box I have the wiring going up to the P3 gauge, which sits nice and flush. And from here it's as simple as plugging the OBD2 port in and tidying everything up under the dash. So let's see what the gauge looks like when it starts up. Looks like it has a little bit of an LED that runs across the bottom. There's a couple different options you can choose. So you have boost, which is also a vacuum gauge, coolant, speed, battery, it's RPM, intake air temperature, EGT. Remember, this EGT is calculated based off the ECU, ignition, where you're at throttle percentage, your air fuel ratio, you can do a 0 to 60, it's not accurate, and again the boost in the vacuum gauge. really happy with it. Looks great. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Have a great day.